Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is a review or an update about the multiple income funnel, the new system that has been launched. And does it work? Maybe you're active in Profit Passport and you're now searching for more information on the multiple income funnel. And does it work? Does it convert? What does it do? Well, first of all, Merry Christmas, because it's a Christmas day, and I just want to give you an update on the multiple income funnel and what it did for me and how Christmas went. So I joined, I think about 2-3 days ago, and not all the traffic is going there, but I just want to give you an update what it does. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing and things, how you can make money online and stuff like that, then make sure to hit the subscribe button, by the way, and tick the bell icon so you get notification when the next time I upload a video. And that is almost on a daily basis. But I live here in Costa Rica, an old roof above my head. We have a big property here, and I'm shooting this video here for you because affiliate marketing and systems like the multiple income funnel are systems that allowed us to move from the Netherlands and live here freely and work 100% online. So let's dive into the multiple income funnel and what it did for me in the last 24 hours and how you can move forward with it. So first of all, multiple income funnel, what is it? It's an automated system created by Muriel. He has a long track record, I have to say. I know him from other opportunities and stuff like that, and he's a very successful marketer. So for me, that was reason enough to jump into this and follow the steps inside. So that's what I did. Let me see. So if you want to join this, if you're hesitating, I will give you an update as well, what you can do if you click the button below this video and you go through the whole process, and what bonuses you're going to get access to if you want to join our team and our team, and what I can help you with to have it succeed. So I'm not even going full out, and if I go here, so this is the sales page. If you click the button below this video, if you decide to join me, you just come here and you say, hey Mac, I'm ready to set up my system. It's $49 per month. And I go from here, and you just leave your information, pay the $49. You can do it annually or monthly, and from there you are inside here. These are the links, but you actually basically start here, and here this is the back office. I did the other video. I take you through the whole process and the whole setup. But basically, what you need to do is you come in here, you join the Facebook group. From there, you go to the setup step number 2 and set up your income stream. So income stream number 1, as I said before, is the system itself. So by paying the $49 per month, if you get members, and I'm going to show you exactly how you get members even without income stream number 4, how you can attract people to this system in an awesome way. And if they join up and pay the $49 per month, you get $20 commission. So I'm here. I'm just a few days that we are active. Not even that many sales, but these are sales that came in, and the leads that came in, and they are all warmed up by the system. So that's multiple pages already. So super cool. And from there, I really like it. So you go here, and then you go to step number 2, set up your income streams. And income stream number 2 is a system called Easy One Up, and this is the most important system here. Where you want to go is called Easy One Up, and this is Easy One Up. I really want to refresh my page here. It's 35, and let me see if it's being updated already. 35 to still 35. So, but it's great. I just gonna refresh it in the end of the video again because it's nice to see to jump it up, because I just got this notification of here in my PayPal account, and I already transferred it, but this amount on 1850. So I don't know, I think this is Dutch time where it is set, but it's today. This is the 23rd, so this is the 24th. Again, here I will refresh my page to show you that it is just what it is. Let me see if it refreshes. Yeah, so I can scroll down here and I can show you here the $2,000, and here there was a $2,000 as well. So you see that this works. This program works. You do not need to have thousands and thousands of leads coming in or a big team to have this success. So yeah, my really honest opinion about this new funnel is, like, I'm super stoked, super enthusiastic about it, and I see it working. So I totally lost where it was. Here it is. But you just want to follow all these steps and just set up the text bot. This is $100, but it just comes in and in and in. And this is the income stream number 4. And this is a traffic authority. Just follow the steps and really watch these videos. And this is about ordering traffic. This is solo ads. But I really recommend you to activate this. But you also have to be aware that now everybody's ordering their traffic here. So I will definitely do this right now. Because they have their list is being refreshed, so I'm not really worried that it will be exaggerated or that marketing that pace. But it's always good to add other income streams to it or other methods to it. So let me share with you what you're gonna get access to, and this is what I have for you in our membership site. And there's in the membership site actually a lot more than this because I'm adding this. I have not updated our page yet, but what you're going to get access to is the YouTube selling system that allows you to create a YouTube channel and use YouTube as a stream of for your traffic. And this is how you're going to get free traffic to the same system. And this is actually where these sales come from. Facebook Ads Pro, not just like your ordinary Facebook ads, but really with story writing and story telling. And let me see if it's still on there. No, I don't think so. It's off. But it's really with storytelling how you can, and a way of putting ads online. And this you can do for a very small budget of like $5 to $10 per day, and it will attract tons and tons of leads. So if you want to, let me show you here. Let me turn this one off, and let's go to the ad manager here because it is really, really effective how I've set it up. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to copy and do the same. And as you can see here, let me show you, let me see where it is ended up. I need to go to another ads account here. Thank you for your patience, by the way. So if I go here and I do like, not today, but lifetime. Let's say just lifetime, or I could do last month. And let me see what is active there. So spend $1,000. So that's not even a lot, but I really want to show you this. That it is, do I see like this? Oh, again here, I'm just going too fast. You have to do this. I just want to show you the leads as low as, I have to go here because that is not objective. So let's take the last 14 days of the ones that were active. I have campaigns running. I copied and made some change, but 26 cents, 68 cents, 50 cents, 93 cents per lead. That is ridiculous. And this is super highly targeted traffic. This is not like a random solo ad and hope for the best. No, this is really high, super targeted traffic. And I'm sending this just because I had to update this. This is all new. And even from this, we just made a $2,000 sale. So that is super cool. You get that as well. Learn really the great stuff about massive traffic formula solo ads from a 7-figure earner. One of my mentors here, he opened up his course for us, and you can have access to this. Was normally $997 bonus or program. But you get it for free here actually. Then you have the massive ManyChat profits. How you can use chatbots to multiply your income and your profit. This is ridiculous. I can show you here. I think it's open. And if I just go to growth tools here, as you can see, I have an open rate of 97%, 100%, 92% click-through rate. This is not already up here, this is no link in here, or there was, but 92% conversion rate, 100% open rate, 68% open rate. There's a lot more, but let me show you here. Again, 100% open rate. Can you imagine? So that is super cool. It works, and you're gonna get access to that if you decide to join our team here. We have the ultimate Facebook chat mastery. What do you say to people? And avoid all those difficult questions. Email swipes you get. I'm gonna show exactly how you can craft your story and how you can attract people that resonate with your story and gonna buy into that and join your team. And the most ingredients for success. There's no price for this. Once I started to implement this in my business and in my daily life, everything changed. And you're gonna get your hands on this. It is priceless. And how to create a crystal clear vision for your future. Because if you do not know why you're doing stuff, it's pretty difficult to accomplish it. And of course you get access to our Facebook community where you can ask questions and where we help you and really help you to get to that next level in your business. So I see that I have to change this name, but that doesn't really matter. Set up your income stream number 1. So that is number 2. I have to change this, but the thing that you need to do is here, create your account with multiple income funnel. So you can just go there to this link or use the first link in the description below this video. And you will also find the link to this page. You create your Easy One Up account. So that is income stream number 2. That will bring you here. Make sure that you see Dirk and Muriel as your sponsor. Very important. If you do not see Dirk and Muriel as your sponsor, I cannot give you access to this. So what you want to do is you want to go to Easy One Up. Let me show you. You're going to come on this page. And then, you want to join. But now you hit join here. So you want to see this page. I have to change this video. I noticed because that was an old video. So it's a good thing that I show you around here. But you want to see that Dirk and Muriel is in here. And that is where you want to go to and create your account. And once you do that, once you're logged in here, you see the dashboard. This link, your username, not Dirk and Muriel, but your username is the one you want to put in your system of the multiple income funnel. And that is that. You want to go to My Products. You want to go to Verdicts Live. If it's not open, you'll get a payment form. And you use the payment. You can pay with PayPal, you can pay with credit card, and you can pay with Bitcoin if you like. Once you've done that, make sure to pay the admin fee. And but I'll get a notification anyway. I will do my best to find you, but also, find me, because that is good. So I can give you access to the. You don't have to show receipts or stuff like that. I will just give you access to our bonus page, and you have lifetime access to this. And we're here to help you. I just want to see this one pop up to 37. That is just too much fun to do in this video, but it doesn't. So I will keep that for the next video. But in the meantime, my honest opinion about the multiple income funnel, it definitely works. It definitely converts. And now it's a great time to jump into this and make good use of all these bonuses so that you do not, like everyone else, tapping into income stream number 4, and that is traffic authority. Although I do recommend, I did it as well, open it up, buy traffic, and let the system do the work, because you can use these links. These are the capture pages, and you can just use these capture pages, and an automatic email sequence will be sent out, and they will do the telling for you and all the upgrading. I haven't done anything. It's Christmas Day. It just runs in, it pops in, and but the only way you can make this work is by taking action. If you want to have more freedom and more control over your success in this system, then make sure to check out the bonus page and make good use of the bonuses, because if everyone uses the same traffic source, it's going to be hitting a point that it's not converting that great anymore. So you want to learn about how to set things up. There will also be updated and extra training on how to build your own funnel around this, so you really can be independent and not using the same landing pages as everyone else. So that if you really want to stand out, that's going to be in the bonus as well, a custom funnel for you. But I'm still testing for the conversion rates on that, but you will get access to that as well. So that being said, guys, make good use of this. If you want to join the multiple income funnel, do your research. If you like my bonuses, if you believe they can help you, then make sure to hit the link below this video or check out the bonus page below this video. You will come on this page and you can just click this step that will bring you to the funnel, and you will follow the steps. All that said, if you have questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'm here for you to help you to bring your business to a success and create more freedom in your life. That's what I'm here for. So that being said, don't forget to subscribe, tick the bell icon, and I'll see you next video. Ciao for now. Bye.